Most parents worry about the impacts on our kids, and a situation once seen as bad could be heading towards devastating. That's what some people in the childcare industry are telling 4 News Now tonight. This virus has already closed some centers in Spokane and created a host of other issues for those barely able to keep the doors open. Ariana Lake brings us some perspective from a provider near downtown Spokane.
Some childcare centers are struggling to get the protective gear they need for their employees, while others simply say they have to shut their doors right now.
We were already in a childcare crisis before COVID-19.
Before the pandemic, so many places, including the care center Nicole Sohn owns, had waiting lists. Journey Discovery Center was caring for 89 kids a day. Now, that number is just 15. Their lifeline? Parents who can afford to continue paying tuition, even though their kids are at home. Not everyone can do that, though, so finance issues have forced shutdowns across the city of Spokane. Nonprofit Childcare Aware estimates that as of April 10th, 77 centers and programs have closed within city limits. Community-minded Enterprises CEO Lee Williams says that accounts for almost 40% of the care available.
That's fairly remarkable and really concerning.
Even more worrisome is that some places won't be able to afford to reopen.
It is feared that they will not reopen because of the economic hardship COVID-19 has caused, and we will have had devastating impacts on our childcare industry.
The places that are still open are facing another set of worries. They can't find the protective gear employees need to stay safe.
We're getting bleach on a individual gallon by gallon basis at this point, and we're being really diligent in seeking out those supplies so that we don't run out, but it has been hard.
Sohn says even things like milk are hard to come by. Still, she and her team are pushing forward. They know what's at stake: the future of these kids, the future of our community.
We're just going to have to figure out how we move forward. We're going to have to be innovative. We're going to have to think of new ways to serve children and families.
In Spokane, I'm Ariana Lake, 4 News Now.